Welcome to Drive Bike, your go-to channel for in-depth bike reviews and all things two-wheeled. Today, we're excited to share our thoughts on the latest addition to the Kymco family, the 2025 CV R5. We've spent some quality time with this bike, and we can't wait to dive into its features, performance, and overall riding experience. First impressions matter, and the CV R5 certainly makes a statement. Its sleek, sporty design turns heads, with a bold and aggressive stance that sets it apart from the crowd. The LED headlights and taillights add a touch of modernity, giving the bike a fresh, contemporary look. We particularly love the way the bike's lines flow together, creating a sense of dynamic energy even when it's standing still. But enough about looks, let's talk about what really matters: performance. The CV R5 is powered by a 550cc parallel twin engine, producing 53 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque. We were blown away by the bike's smooth acceleration and responsive throttle, making it a joy to ride in all conditions. Whether we were navigating city traffic or carving through twisties, the CV R5 delivered. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, offering seamless shifting and a satisfying click into each gear. We appreciated the way the transmission worked in harmony with the engine, always seeming to find the right gear at the right time. And with a generous fuel tank, we didn't have to worry about running low on gas anytime soon. Handling is another area where the CV R5 truly shines. The bike is incredibly agile, with a low center of gravity and responsive suspension that makes it a blast to carve through corners. We found ourselves seeking out twisty roads just for the fun of it, the bike's precise steering and confident braking inspiring us to push a little harder with each turn. Speaking of braking, the CV R5 system is top-notch. Dual discs up front and a single disc at the rear provide ample stopping power, with a smooth, progressive feel that never left us wanting. We particularly appreciated the bike's ABS system, which worked seamlessly to prevent wheel lockup even in hard braking situations. Of course, no bike is perfect, and the CV R5 does have a few minor flaws. We found the seat to be a tad firm, particularly on longer rides, and the suspension could be a bit more compliant over rough roads, but these are minor quibbles in what is otherwise an exceptional bike. In terms of comfort, the CV R5 delivers. The ergonomics are spot on, with a natural riding position that reduces fatigue on long rides. We also appreciated the bike's generous storage capacity, with a large underseat compartment and optional saddlebags perfect for stashing gear. We were also impressed by the CV R5's tech features. The bike comes equipped with a full-color TFT display, showing vital information like speed, gear position, and fuel level. There's also a USB charging port and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to stay connected on the go. In conclusion, the 2025 Kymco CV R5 is an exceptional bike that checks all the right boxes. Its combination of performance, handling, and comfort make it an ideal choice for commuters and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving through twisties, the CV R5 is sure to put a smile on your face. Thanks for watching Drive Bike. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bike reviews and content.